Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Kyle, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming videos. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony review, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them. And of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. This is Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic. And we're doing our real first episode of This Ain't Stock. Well, that ain't stock really. And we're going to be replacing the tired, wore out taillights on my truck with something a little bit brighter and better. Alright. Now, I'm going to get into the tear down on this. You enjoy. Now to reinstall your factory taillights, you just put these screws in. And it's going to feel a little wonky. Yours might be straighter. My bed and everything's just kind of beat up on this truck, so nothing's really, truly straight. Alright, but that's how you uninstall and install your taillights. Now that we got this taken apart, and you're going to need to remove all your bulbs for this part. This set did not come with an LED backup bulb, which is fine. I just got these at my local O'Reilly's for like 30 bucks. And I didn't want to scrounge for something in the internet and wire in resistors. Just wanted something to work. I only have so much time in my life. Now basically this hooks in just the same as your old one. You just gotta majigger it. Alright, so these just plug in into your bulbs like they normally do. And it's real simple. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bulb grease, basically dielectric grease. And I'm gonna put some in here. To protect. Now, you're gonna need to attach this. Luckily, it came with a little bit of adhesive on the back of it. So we're just gonna plop that joker right there, out of the way. Now I'm gonna peel the plastic off. Now this is the top one. Plug that one in. Alright. Next, we're going to need to put these in. So you want to feed the wires in. And these don't have the tab. So I had to do a little bit of finagling off camera to get these in. It's not going to quite go in like your old one, so you're going to have to work around it. Then you just put the tabs in. Alright, let's do a test. You can see the difference between taillights now. And let's just do a hazard test. Alright, so this is just going to be an expanded view of me while I do this.
Well everyone, this is D66, your undertight, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.